So this morning I got up, got some things together, hopped on the Lowrider S and rode up the 39 up Azusa Canyon to come up to Crystal Lake Recreation Area to check out and see what the snow conditions were like up here and see if the roads were clear. Roads were totally clear, no issues with ice or snow on the roads. It's been sunny and dry for the last few days, so no issues on the 39. The road is in good condition. I came up here to the recreation area, grabbed a picnic table, had some coffee. Up a little lunch with some oatmeal and brown sugar and just hung out for a little bit. When I got up here, it was a little cloudy, not too bad. Then the skies opened up and the sun came out, so I sent the drone up to have a look around, capture the mountains, all the snow on the peaks. Still a good amount of snow up on the mountains up there. Hope I can get up here and get some snowshoeing and some hiking before it all melts away. Weather changed quite a bit. After lunch, the clouds started rolling in, captured a little bit of that. As you can see right now, it's pretty cloudy. Looks like the sun's really opening up down there below me, so the ride home should be nice. Spent some time shooting with the new Sony and getting comfortable with that, working with the lens and the ND to make sure I get the video quality that I want. I'm gonna get back home, throw this on the laptop and edit it together, see what it looks like and see what I can learn from it. So had a great time up here. Gonna pack all the gear up and head down the mountain and head on home.